Welcome to today's podcast. I'm excited to dive into the remarkable world of GitHub, a platform that has transformed the way developers collaborate and innovate. So, whether you're a coder, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the latest in software development, there's something here for everyone. Now let's start with a little context. GitHub is much more than just a repository for code. It's like a bustling city where developers from all over the globe come together to share, learn, and build software. Think of it as a gigantic potluck dinner where everyone brings their best dish, some delicious lines of code, sharing recipes, or in this case, solutions and innovations. One of the standout features of GitHub is its code review system. This is essentially a group of developers looking over each other's shoulders to ensure everything is up to par. It's like having a second set of eyes on your homework before you turn it in. Why is this important? Well, imagine if everyone just submitted their code without anyone checking it. It could lead to bugs, security vulnerabilities, and a host of problems. The code review process helps to manage changes and maintain high-quality standards. Speaking of quality, let's talk about security. GitHub helps developers find and fix vulnerabilities in their code. Picture this as a digital safety net that catches you before you fall. Essentially, it ensures that the code you're using is safe from hackers and other threats. How reassuring is it to know that there are tools in place to help safeguard your work? Another key feature of GitHub is automation. Now, automation might sound like a techie buzzword, but it's pretty cool. Imagine having a robot that handles your chores while you focus on the fun stuff. In GitHub, automation can manage workflow tasks, ensuring that processes run smoothly without requiring constant human input. Doesn't that sound liberating? Now, I can hear some of you saying, okay, but what's in it for me? Well, GitHub isn't just for seasoned developers. It's an incredible resource for anyone looking to learn or grow their coding skills. With its learning pathways, events, webinars, and an array of ebooks, there's a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. You could think of it as your personal coding coach, helping you level up your skills without the hefty tuition fees. And there's more. Have you ever heard of GitHub sponsors? This initiative allows you to financially support open-source developers who create the tools you love and use. It's like a subscription service for great ideas, helping to fuel future innovations and projects. Let's also not forget about the importance of community. GitHub fosters collaboration, allowing developers to engage in discussions that go beyond the lines of code. It's like a local coffee shop where nerdy discussions thrive. Whether it's asking a question about a coding challenge or sharing insights on a project, the community aspect makes it all the more enriching. As we wrap up, I hope you've gained a clearer picture of the dynamic ecosystem that GitHub represents. It's not just a tool for hosting code. It's a vibrant community where innovation flourishes, security is prioritized, and collaboration is key. So as we say goodbye, I pose a question to you. How might you leverage tools like GitHub in your own projects or learning journeys? Food for thought. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you next time.